Hello guys, ito ang part 10 ng Lucas Art. Gumawa lang kami ng kwarto sa baba ng tatay ko. Okay, never mean to forget. I'm getting a bit scared. It's probably something. Ay, sa bahay. Nasa underground house ako, tatay. Kaya mapit yun, Jerome yun.
Naka-gold armor, oh.
Tatay, huwag mo itipita. Meron na tayong ultimate armor. Mabilis masira ang gold, tatay. Hindi mo alam yun. Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo?
Ba yan?
Hindi, pag lumapit ka sa water, papatayin ka niyan. Pero pag gabi, lalo na. Tama ka, bumalik ka na agad. Natatakot na ako. Feeling ko mayroong zombies. You're definitely... Thanks, bro. Let's just mine down. And I forgot how did we go down. Me did this. This is the pickaxe. This is where you need to use a pickaxe. I just need to craft another pickaxe. Mine is about to break. I-break mo yan. Gamit pickaxe. Mag-break ka down. Hold on. Wait a second.
Ay! Naubos buhay ko.
Naubos. Ano ba naman yan, tatay? Uy! Uy, namatay ako. Ay, yari, wala ako sa normal place. I-teleport mo ako.
Wala pa ba ito? Lalim pa.
Teleport me, please. Sabi ko, teleport ako.
Ano?
Nag-respawning ako. I just responded somewhere else. Teleport. Who? Me. Where to him? Thanks, tatay. I think I know what you are doing. Ooh, redstone. Oh, I just know this. I need a craft, bruh. Yo, bro. You know what? I'm gonna do something. My pickaxe broke. This is what I'm saving. Iron. I was saving this, but it's okay. yung copper? Eh, copper ata ni yun mo eh.
Sabi mo, ayun.
You know what?
Baba ka na.
Hindi ako bumababa. Aakyat ako, hindi ako bababa. I'm not going downward. I'm going upward.
Eh! Naku, 141 na.
Bakit? Bakit at?
Natawagan eh. Tumatawag sa akin, ikaw sumagot.
Oh. Tatake. Ah.
Hello?
Ay, naka... Sorry guys, the video was paused. Sorry na. Definitely have torches. No. Bro, it's okay. I'm burning. What is that I do wonder? Tatay, ano ginagawa mo? Nasa ilalim kita. You're definitely under me. Hey, yo, bro. Tati, do you have some torches?
Ano tawag dito sa blue na ano?
Meron ka bang kahit isang torch, tatay? Can you give me some? Wait lang. Age rin up ako, tapos bigay mo yung torch. Ikaw lumapit sa akin. Lumapit sa akin.
Dito na ako sa ilalim.
Ay. Oh.
Teleport ka na lang.
I'm already here. Bro, I have infinite lapis.
Hindi ko ma... Hindi ano.
Drop mo na. Dito.
Hindi. 30 yan eh.
Ayo. Eh kasi wala ka. Mag-drop ka muna ng kahit ano.
Okay.
Tapos, dapat mawalan siya. Eh, hindi mawawala.
Ang dami kasing nakakalat. Teka lang. Urong ka.
Huwag na nga. Tatay, okay na. Hayakit na lang ang dilim. Oy! Oh, shh.
Ayun na, may 15 dyan.
Okay, I'll just exchange with gold. Not bad though. There you go. Thanks. Just put it for you. Just kidding, you can just like that. Hehe. Oh, 70 vlogging mode. Tatay can hear zombies. Let's go down. I don't want to drop down and die. Ooh, iron.
Okay na? Nakakababa na tayo?
Yeah, but it's deeper there. It's deeper. I was...
Asan na yung daan? Tinukpan mo?
Yes, kasi baka malaglag ako.
Ano tayo makakapag...
Hindi, no, makikita natin dyan. Titignan ko muna kung may zombies pa. Ay, wala ta. No.
Gumagawa ko ng daan pa ikot, kuya.
Ate, do you have any extra pickaxe?
Meron yung ano.
Or crafting table?
Kala ko yung ano.
I made
Ledger.
some... Oh, that was close. I'm making a staircase. Oh, that's not it. Yes, this is it. Not like that. Okay, it's okay. I have a million cobblestone naman. Oh, there we go, bro. Poop. Bro, I'm placing dirt. I think we are in Bedrock Edition. I think I'm pretty close. I can hear zombies. Tatay, can you help? By the way, I'm building the staircase. Tatay? Oh. I keep hearing zombie noise. Be careful, the staircase is not that finished yet.
Bet, tumagsik ka sa akin.
Sorry. Na-Tetris ka nga. You know what? I'm just gonna crouch. Why are you breaking that? Oh, I knew it. There was a zombie. Crouch. Dati mag-crouch ka para maano yung shield. Finally, I saw it.
Ba't to?
That don't,
Mga
annoy players.
Saan ba yung dinalo natin?
I don't know, but